Did you know that the way you handle the first 30 days of the new year can affect the rest of the year? In this video, I will tell you the importance of the first 30 days of the year. Hello Lilas fam, welcome to Let Your Light So Shine. My name is Monica. It is always my joy and pleasure to bring these videos to you. The new year has begun with lots of festivities and celebrations. However, did you know that if you want to determine the way the rest of the year will go, you have to take specific steps towards ensuring that the first 30 days of the year go smoothly? I'm going to tell you the importance of the first 30 days of the year and how they set a tone for the rest of the year. The first 30 days of the year are the foundation of the year. This is a time for you to reset your habits, your mindset, and your focus. And this is a time for you to put God first, especially if that had never been your culture across the years. This is an opportunity for you to determine how you want to start this year, because this is the foundation. This is the path that the rest of the year would follow. If you put God first at the beginning of the year and you keep putting God first, that is going to be a good foundation for you to lay in the new year, so that the rest of the year can have you still putting God first to ensure that God is front and center in everything that you do. The second way to ensure that you make the most of the first 30 days of the new year is to take faithful steps and not to make big promises. When a year starts, we have this strong urge to promise God that we will change, we will improve, we will serve Him, and we will honor Him. We usually have this grandiose behavior at the beginning of the year. But what God requires are faithful steps. Steps that you take one after the other in faith and trust and in obedience to God, because you have made a firm resolution to honor God and to serve Him in truth and spirit. God does not need you to make Him huge, grand promises. He wants you to live consciously, one day at a time, ensuring that everything that you do is in line with His word and honors Him. He wants you to live a deliberate life where you are conscious, you are aware of all that you do, think, and say. You ensure that they are directed, they are governed, and they are ruled by the commandments of God. That is what God wants from you. He doesn't want those big promises of, I'll do this for you, I'll build you a house, He doesn't need all those things. What God needs is the faithfulness of your heart. What God needs is the faithfulness of your words, your thoughts, and your actions. God wants your faithfulness. He wants a humble heart. Remember that the Bible tells us that a contrite heart He will not spurn. God wants a faithful heart, a humble heart, and a contrite heart. A heart that really loves Him and really wants to honor Him. That is what God wants. So ensure that you don't go about making big promises, but rather you take conscious, faithful steps these first 30 days of the year, which will in turn set a tone for the rest of the year. If you want to set a good tone for the rest of this year, you must ensure that you stay disciplined in these first 30 days of the year. Discipline keeps you grounded. Discipline ensures that when you pledge to do something, you see it through. And discipline helps you stay faithful to your promises, to your resolutions to be a better Christian, even when emotions fade, when motivation fades, and when the zeal is no longer there. Discipline helps you continue on that path that you have chosen, the path of righteousness, the path of serving God, the path of walking in a way that honors God. Discipline is something that you need if you want this year 2026 to be an extraordinary year for you. If you want to walk with God for the rest of the year, you have to attain some discipline. And that is why you must start building this discipline in the first 30 days of the year, because it becomes a routine, it becomes a lifestyle. The last tip I'll give you on how to ensure that the first 30 days of the year are optimally used so that they influence the rest of the year in a great way that honors God and makes you a better person, is not to seek perfection. You don't have to be perfect. Instead, focus on progress. Take daily steps, like I have said. Take daily actions. Take it one day at a time, moving and growing with God. Let your focus be on progress. Let your focus be on growth and not perfection. You can't be perfect in 30 days. You can't even be perfect in a lifetime. So take it one step at a time and one day at a time. I hope that this video has blessed you and has shown you how important the first 30 days of the year can be for the rest of the year. If you want to set the right tone for the rest of the year, ensure that you set the right tone for the first 30 days of the year. If this message has blessed you, please drop a comment below. Also, if you like to watch more videos that encourage you and help you walk with Christ, please subscribe to this channel. Simply click the subscribe button and get subscribed to this channel today. It is completely free of charge. You don't have to pay anything to subscribe to this channel. So, click that subscribe button. Also, do not forget to click the notification button so you'll be notified as soon as I update. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, please share this video with everyone so that they lay a strong foundation for this new year and ensure that this strong foundation that they have laid in the first 30 days of the year influence the way the rest of their year goes, all to the glory and honor of God, as well as to their joy and betterment. Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. Thank you for spending time with me. I love spending time with you here on Let Your Light So Shine. Please be a part of this community. Comment and share your thoughts with us, and let's keep growing together. I have a playlist in the description of this video. Please go and watch the videos in that playlist. Drop a comment on each of those videos and tell me how those videos have helped you. Thank you once more for giving me your time. Wherever you are, whatever you do, let your light so shine. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Please subscribe, click the notification button, like this channel, share our videos, and follow us on social media. Thank you very much.